Hello everybody, and welcome to this week's Cool Tool Tuesday video. I am Phil Shinbine, and this week I am going to be talking to you about this little brush that's in my hand that I keep gesticulating with. It is a very useful piece of kit. I think my arm's actually permanently frozen here now. I don't think I can... Okay. This brush is similar to many other brushes that are on the market on this end, right? Just a little blade, little silicone wipey little blade. Very handy for getting into, you know, box joints and your dovetails and whatnot with this blade design. But where this particular unit really shines, I find, is on this end. This bit here is fantastic for if you need to get glue into a hole, but you don't want to put tons of glue in there. For instance, if you're doing some doweling, right? If you got a little dowel, you need to stick it in a hole. Comme ça, I mean like that. I speak English, yes. Now when you're doing your doweling, you can put glue on this end, on the actual dowel itself, and stick that in the hole, but that, you will end up getting glue all over your fingertips. And if you're doing 1 or 2 dowels, it's not a problem. But if you're doing 150 of them, you'll be just drenched in glue by the end of the day. So, to that end, which is something I need to stop saying so much, you can just use this end of the thing, dip it in the glue pot section of your glue boat, which soon will be making another run, right? Stick this down in there, making this fun noise, right? And then you just take your dowel and you put it in there. And you smash, smash, smash. In my own shop, from time to time, I'm called upon to reduce the depth of a drum. And when I do that, I invariably need to re-drill all the holes for the hardware, the mounting steel bits that hold the head and the hoops and all that stuff on. When I do that, I then need to cut plugs and refill the old holes. So a drum with, let's say, 10 lugs, 2 holes per lug, 2 or 3 drums, that's a ton of holes that need filling. And this helps me do that job without getting glue everywhere. It gets only in the little hole exactly where I've drawn it on like a paintbrush. It's very, very useful. It is a simple tool, but it is a very cool tool, and it makes absolutely no sense to me that we've not talked about it before. It even has some pretty sexy curves. Look at that. Right? Makes it very convenient to hold on to, much like a pencil. And gesture with. Gesticulate? For everything you need to know about this glue brush from Belladonia, check the links down below in the doobly-doo. There you will also find a link to everything you need to know to get woodworking at the Timbecon website. If you like this video and you like what we seem to be doing, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell and all that fun stuff. But before I go, YouTube thinks you'll like this video up here. The way their algorithm works, usually it's something somewhat related. It'll probably be the glue boat video. Let's find out. This video down here is one that we've selected, and we know it's good for you. It's like vitamins.